Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in South Pointe Park. We'll be walking along Miami Beach as well. So let's come along for a walk on the beach. So it's South Pointe Park in Miami, Florida.
Yo creo que algún rato van a caer mal ellos, ¿verdad?
Alright guys, again it's South Pointe Park. It's a very big park. Here we have a wedding. Someone getting married right here, taking pictures. Congratulations. Alright, so this is the kids area. So we have slides over there, other stuff, and again nice lawn to just chill, a picnic, whatever you choose. So another nice area to chill. So we have a plane right here taking off from the Miami airport. It's going behind that building. Yeah, so very nice park. Alright, so someone is here doing a photo shoot. So that's a yacht going out to the big ocean. These are some city bikes. These are for rental, so you rent them for as long as you want them. You ride them around Miami. City bikes. Alright, so the Miami Beach starts right here, stretching for miles and miles. Alright, so this is the South Pointe Pier. Fishing is allowed right here. It's a bit deep. So it's actually sunset. So it's a nice view as well of the sunset. Alright, so down here we have the water. It's a bit clear. So the pier is now officially closed. It's basically 8 p.m. and the pier is closed at basically 8 p.m. So yeah, everyone is actually leaving the pier. Alright guys, so again it's the South Pointe Park and the pier. So that's basically it. It's getting a bit dark. Alright guys, again it's South Pointe Park and pier. However, the Miami Beach starts here. I'll leave that for another video. So remember to like, leave your comments, let me know what you think about this beach, let me know what you think about this park. Let me know your suggestions, your thoughts, and again if you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe. Alright, so we'll leave it on the Miami Beach.